Hi traders, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to set up and use the AW Turtles indicator for MT4 and MT5. So the first step is to download the indicators. Obviously, you can check the description for the links to both the MT4 and the MT5 versions. All right. After you have done that, you head on to your platform. You add the indicator file to your indicators folder. Of course, you have to come to file, you have to go to open data folder and navigate to the indicators folder where you're going to add the indicator file. Once you're done with that, you head back to your navigator and you right click on it and refresh. Okay, having done that, you ought to have the AW Turtles indicator appear in your navigator. Just have to drag and drop it to your chart. Ensure that the allow DLL imports box is checked. And then as for your inputs, you're going to see the customizable settings there. So you can modify these settings according to your taste, okay? Whether you want alerts, whether you want to change the colors, the offsets, font size, and all of that, okay? So now this is how the indicator looks like. As you can see, it's an indicator that helps you understand the trend. It's a trend following indicator, right? Inspired by the famous turtle trading system. So now this indicator automatically identifies trend for you, right? The trend direction, perhaps breakout levels, and it helps you to plot precise buy and sell signals. Now you can see across different time frames, because this is a multi-time frame indicator, right? Across different time frames, it tells you the prevailing trend. On the 1 minute time frame, it tells you this is an uptrend, depending on the currency pair you're trading, of course. All right, it's going to tell you the trend across different time frames for that particular chart, that particular currency pair. Now 1 minute is an uptrend, 5 minutes an uptrend, 15 minutes a downtrend, 30 minutes uptrend, 1 hour uptrend, 4 hours downtrend, daily uptrend, weekly downtrend, monthly uptrend. This is for BTC USD. All right, so while you are seeing the trends across the different time frames, the indicator also gives you precise buy and sell signals on that particular time frame that you are on, okay? And then it also plots these lines, to help you gauge, of course, show you the prevailing trend as well, right? So the indicator presents several information to guide you. In a bullish trend, you're going to have the blue line below the candlesticks, and then when there is a bearish move, you're going to have the red line appear above the candlesticks. So all you have to do is ensure that the trend here aligns with the line being displayed. For example, if you have a downtrend here, because we are in a 4 hours chart right now, and you have a downtrend being displayed here, what you just have to do is wait for a red line to form above candlestick. That's going to be your second signal, right? Your first signal should be this, the second signal should be this, which must align with what you have here. So if you have a downtrend here, wait for a red line to appear above the candlesticks, and then your third signal should be the appearance of the arrow, okay? The red arrow is for your bearish signal, the blue arrow is for your bullish signal, okay? So your downtrend here, your red line here, and the appearance of your red arrow to give you the go ahead to sell, all right? But in the case of an uptrend, once you get an uptrend here, you wait for the blue line to appear below the candlestick, and then you wait for the blue arrow to appear below the candlestick, which gives you the go ahead to execute your buy trade. Ensure that you always practice proper risk management. Do not trade with an amount you cannot afford to lose, and ensure that you do not over leverage, okay? In the meantime, thank you for watching. If you're not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now. Click the notification bell as well so you do not miss out on more valuable content like this. See you in the next one.